Imagine a force so powerful that not even light can escape its grasp. An enigma that holds the power to bend time and space. This is the reality of black holes, colossal giants lurking in the depths of the cosmos. Welcome to this journey into the depths of the universe, where we'll uncover the secrets of black holes. We will meet the largest of them, the black hole Ton 618. You will be amazed by its dimension. Our first stop takes us to the very beginning of time. Imagine, if you will, the universe just moments after the Big Bang. In this primordial soup of creation, conditions were ripe for the birth of minuscule black holes. These are the so-called primordial black holes, a theoretical concept that has tantalized physicists for years. To understand their size, consider this. A primordial black hole could be as small as a single proton, the tiny particle found in the nucleus of an atom. That's incredibly tiny, isn't it? But it doesn't stop there. Some primordial black holes could be as large as a mountain. These early universe entities are shrouded in mystery. They're elusive, invisible, and yet their existence could answer some of the most perplexing questions about our universe. And remember, these primordial black holes, as minuscule or as massive as they may be, are just the smallest of black holes. Moving forward in time, we encounter the stellar black holes. These cosmic beasts are born from the remnants of massive stars that have exhausted their nuclear fuel. As these stars end their life cycles, they go out in a blaze of glory, a supernova, a cosmic explosion so powerful it briefly outshines an entire galaxy. After this celestial fireworks, the core of the star collapses under its own gravity, creating a black hole. These stellar black holes, despite their ominous name, are not actually black. They're invisible, a space in the universe where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Their size? Think of a city like Paris. Now imagine that city compressed into a tiny point in space. That's a stellar black hole, a speck in the cosmos with a gravitational pull strong enough to bend the fabric of space-time itself. But the universe doesn't stop there. It goes bigger and bigger. In the heart of galaxies lurk the supermassive black holes. These astronomical wonders are millions, even billions of times more massive than our sun. They're like the cosmic glue holding galaxies together. Take, for instance, Sagittarius A*, the supermassive black hole at the center of our Milky Way. It's roughly 4 million times the mass of our sun, and it's not even the largest of its kind. Imagine a mass so great, it bends time and space around it, swallowing everything that ventures too close, even light. These black holes aren't just galactic ornaments either. They play a crucial role in shaping the galaxies they inhabit, influencing the way stars form and evolve. But hold on to your hats, because as remarkable as these are, the universe has an even bigger surprise. Beyond the supermassive lies the realm of the ultramassive. Ultramassive black holes are the titans of the universe, with masses billions of times greater than that of our sun. They are so colossal that they dwarf everything in their vicinity, even other supermassive black holes. Their gravity is so immense that they can warp the fabric of space-time itself and pull entire galaxies towards them. These cosmic behemoths are not just larger versions of their stellar and supermassive cousins. They are fundamentally different. Their formation is still a mystery that scientists are trying to unravel. It's believed they might be the result of several black holes merging, or perhaps they've just had more time to feed and grow. And now, the king of them all, the black hole Ton 618. Meet Ton 618, the largest known black hole in the universe. This colossal giant is nestled at the heart of a distant, bright celestial object known as a quasar, over 10 billion light-years away. Its mass is truly staggering, roughly equivalent to 66 billion suns. Imagine this: if our solar system were a coin, Ton 618 would be the size of Mount Everest. This black hole's event horizon, the point of no return for anything daring to come too close, extends a mind-boggling 118 billion miles. That's about 40 times the orbit of Pluto. Its powerful gravitational influence shapes the space-time around it, bending light and pulling matter into a swirling disk of superheated gas known as an accretion disk. This disk glows intensely, outshining entire galaxies. Yet at the center of this radiant spectacle lies the darkness of ton 618. Now, let's put it into perspective, from the smallest possible black hole to ton 618. Black holes, however, are not just cosmic monsters. Black holes play a crucial role in the grand scheme of the universe. These cosmic behemoths are not just space oddities, they are fundamental to the very fabric of our cosmos. You see, black holes are like cosmic recycling centers. When a star dies, it can form a black hole, which then pulls in the surrounding matter, breaks it down, and eventually spews it back out into space. This process helps to redistribute matter throughout the universe, contributing to the formation of new stars and galaxies. Black holes also play a critical role in galaxy formation. The supermassive black holes at the center of galaxies act like cosmic glue, their immense gravity holding the galaxy together. Without these celestial anchors, galaxies would simply fly apart. And let's not forget their role in advancing our understanding of physics. Black holes are the perfect laboratories for testing our theories of gravity and quantum mechanics. Black holes, the colossal giants of the universe, continue to fascinate us. We hope this journey into the universe has been enlightening. If you've enjoyed this voyage through the cosmos and yearn to explore more, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notifications. Don't hesitate to like this video and share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Remember, every interaction helps us bring you more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to join us on our next cosmic adventure.